You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Every time I join a Swapon event, I always have fun because it's good to see all your smiling faces and you always make it very interesting and engaging. So thank you. I just want to encourage you to continue to engage with this training event that has been organized by CSJ. As you can tell, they know what they are talking about. They're not just coming from a theoretical point of view, but then they're also bringing the practical side. So please, I just want to encourage you, if you have any questions, if you need further clarity on anything, just raise your hand, because if you don't engage, you won't get much out of this experience, okay? And I want you to relate it to what you experience day to day as a small-scale woman farmer, as in how does the project affect your life? How can better budget preparation, implementation, and your involvement in the process lead to better outcomes for Swapon and smallholder women farmers across the country? So those are the few words of encouragement I just wanted to give. I think it's been a very good session. You've been engaging, you've been asking very, very interesting questions that actually should even affect how we go about preparing budgets in this country. So don't be held back. Just anything that you feel should be changed, just feel free to challenge anything that we currently do. And then there were some things I felt that were very important that came out of the discussion. So I think there was mention of GMO crops, GMO seeds, and how that affects your farming activity, and then also the use of chemical fertilizers as opposed to organic fertilizers. So I think those are also important things that you need to advocate about. Because although we're talking about the budget, if the government continues to allocate funds for inputs that are not benefiting you, then you should speak out about those things as well. So I just want you to take a holistic view to this process, engage with the training, take as much out of it as possible, and just enjoy your time here in Abuja as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.